morning, class 10. Myself, Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Bethiya. The students, in connection with the syllabus, we started a very beautiful and teaching lesson entitled The Necklace. I have already stated that this present lesson is a story of a beautiful girl who was married to a clerk working in the Department of Education. She was never satisfied, she was never pleased with the present life status, and she was always worried, she was always dissatisfied, and she was not living in very peaceful manner. Once her husband got an invitation card from the same department where he was working, and he was very much happy that it would give his wife a chance to be out of the house and to enjoy the outer atmosphere. But this was not fruitful. When he came to his house and he put the invitation on the table in very happy mood, that was not welcome, that was not loved and liked by his wife. Instead of being delighted, as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation card upon the table in very murmuring mood, and she interrogated what was the way of that invitation card to give her pleasure. The husband tried to please his wife and tried to make her happy, but useless. It was not fruitful. It had no impact on and around his wife. He made it clear what was the importance of the letter, what was the importance of that invitation card. Everybody was not invited from his office where he was functioning. It was a fortunate way of being invited there. She must be happy, and it would give her a chance to be out of the house for which she had been waiting for a long time. She looked at him with an irritated eye and declared it immaterial. What was the ground of declaring it immaterial? She made it clear that she had nothing to wear to go to that kind of party. The husband was surprised. The husband was disappointed, and he reminded his wife about the dress that she used to wear when they used to go to theater. He also made it clear that very particular dress was going to suit her very nicely, and it must be just sufficient, and it must be beautiful to just wear that dress and go to the party. At this, the wife started stammering, started weeping that the dress he was mentioning was outdated, and she should not go to that kind of party wearing that dress. She became violent also. She anyway controlled her vexation. This presentation and this suggestion was taken by her as vexation, and responded in very cool and calm voice, wiping her moist cheeks. Nothing, only I have no dress, and consequently I cannot go to this party. She declared that she was not going to the party, making the ground, giving the ground of dress as well as jewels also. She also made it clear that he should give this card to one of his friends whose wife has beautiful dresses, jewels and others, to make her attractive, especially to this kind of party. The husband was really disappointed, but he answered. His courage was there, and he made it clear that they should see what is possible, and he also proposed that she should buy a new and suitable dress, and he inquired about the probable cost that might be there. She reflected. She responded in very happy mood, and she made it clear that it would be a reasonable price, and if they go to the market, if they go to that very particular shop from where they have to buy, they will come to know the real cost of that one. But she was also thinking at the same time that it might be just very much clear if she says that this would take much cost, her husband might deny, and this proposal might not be accepted. It so happened that the considerable amount was declared, and it was 400 francs that may be in position to buy a beautiful dress. The husband went into disappointment. The husband couldn't afford it, but he agreed anyway in order to please his wife, as everybody does, and he had kept this sum to buy a gun because he loved hunting. He loved hunting in the next summer, and he had decided to go for hunting with some of his friends, but he suppressed his desire, and he got agreed to give this much amount to his wife to buy a new dress. But there was a warning, there was a suggestion that she should buy a pretty dress, and she should not claim for such kind of dress on other occasions if these occasions come in their life. So students, you will find that how a gentleman is going to suppress his desire, and ultimately he agreed, and he handed over 400 francs to his wife, declaring that the dress she is going to buy must be beautiful, and it must be kept for other occasions also. The day of the party approached. The day of the party came, and Matilda was again looking disturbed, and the husband wanted to know the reason. He wanted to know whether the dress was ready or not. Her husband was always asking and inquiring about that one. But when the party approached to come there, it was so matterful that the wife again started living in very sad and disappointed mood. What happened after that? The students, we shall come to know about this in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.